Hello everybody. This video I'm going to go over the 12 words that we will be working on in vocabulary set 8.14. So make sure that you watch this and you're going to pause the video to fill in your slides as we go. So I'm going to go over the 12 words. You're going to fill in the yellow boxes. And then when I'm done this video, you will then finish the rest of the slides and you can put the letter in the blank or the word in the blank. All right, here we go. All right, our first word is abominable. So this is an adjective. So if we describe someone with this word, it means that they arouse hatred, they're disgusting, detestable. So you think someone who's abominable, they're like hateful, despicable. It's not a good word to be called. Unfortunately, there are many abominable ideas on the internet. All right, so that's abominable. Number 2, consequence. Consequence is a noun. Consequence is a result of something. It's like because you did this, then that happened. It's the effect. So does he really understand the consequence of his actions? So if you see this picture of this kid sitting outside the principal's office, okay, he probably did something bad, and then there was a consequence. Number 3, engulf. This is a verb. To engulf, or if you're engulfed, it means to swallow up, overwhelm, or consume. So the truck was engulfed in flames after its fuel tank exploded. Number 4, formulate. Formulate is a verb. When you formulate, you're using your brain and you're thinking carefully and closely. You're creating, you're inventing, you're stating something as a formula. So when you think formulate, think create. The town board will formulate a tax policy. Number 5, initiative. Initiative is a noun. The initiative, or an initiative, it's the taking of the first step or move. It's the ability to act without being directed or urged from the outside. So if you think of, someone's initiating something, they're starting it. Dad is proud of my initiative with chores. So you think of this as a thing where that you took the first step for. I took the initiative and cleaned up the entire house before my mom got home. Number 6, memento. Memento is a noun, and it's something that serves as a reminder. It's a remembrance, a souvenir, a token. So if we think memento, think like a moment in time. This hat is a memento of our recent trip. 7, nonconformist. So as a noun, a nonconformist is a person who refuses to follow established ideas or ways of doing things. They don't follow the normal ways, okay? They might refuse to, believe it or follow it, they want to do it their way. An adjective is if you're describing someone as nonconformist, it means that they're not following the normal behavior or thought of society. Jake, a nonconformist, is not swayed by opinion. Her nonconformist poetry appears in several small magazines. Number 8, panorama. A panorama is a wide open view of an area. So like this is a panorama of the beach. On our phones, a lot of our phones, we have, when we're taking a picture, there's an option to do a panoramic picture. That means you can get like an entire room in that one photo. I sat at the top of the mountain looking at the panorama in front of me. Number 9, pry. This is a verb. When you pry something, you pull it loose by force, or you look at it closely or curiously, or you're nosy about it. So think pry means pull. It means to snoop around or to meddle into something. We can use this tool to pry the lid off a can of paint. This woman is prying into someone else's business by spying on them. Number 10, refurbish. This is a verb. When you refurbish, it means you brighten, freshen, or polish. You restore it. You improve it. So these people are refurbishing this home. Okay, they might be painting it. They're fixing it up. Some people like to refurbish old cars, where you buy one and you fix it up. Every 5 years, the hotel refurbishes the decor of its elegant lobby. So kind of think of remodel. All right, 2 more. 11 is resourceful. So this is an adjective. If you're describing someone as resourceful, it means that you are able to deal quickly and easily with problems. You can find ways to fix it and figure it out, to make it go smoothly. A resourceful guide will know how to handle any questions or surprises that come up on the tour. And last one, 12 is rigorous, which is an adjective. So if you're describing something as rigorous, it can mean it's severe, it's harsh, it's strict, or it means it's challenging your brain. So he's doing a rigorous exercise right now. She's maybe responding to a rigorous essay prompt. Boot camp is a nickname for the place where new soldiers receive rigorous basic training. All right, that's it. So you can go ahead and go back and fill in some if you missed them and continue through your slides and turn them in when you're done.